click and drag over green dots in left direction little bit. Then click over white area and drag right direction little bit. To achieve good result, do this multiple times gently. Now your puffy ball is ready. If you like my tutorial, please let me know in comment section. Thanks for watching.